For the next section of the tutorials, the one thing that you are going to have to pay for, and believe me, it pays dividends. It makes your art look so much better. So while it sucks that you have to pay $20 a month or whatever it is, and I certainly recommend all the noobs start with the free trial, you need 3D Painter, okay? You don't necessarily need Substance Designer. You don't necessarily need the other aspects of the Substance suite, but Substance Painter you need, okay? And you can get it cheaper than $39.99 for the first year. I actually recommend you calling them up and telling them that you're not going to pay more than $19.99 a month, and most likely you can get it. But this is something that you cannot get around. It is a game changer. It makes your art look so much better than you can do any other way. So yeah, get the free trial and meet me in the next video.